Hello people. Today I'm going to do a video on something that I've scoured YouTube for and I haven't found a video on how to do it or what to do. So I thought with a bit of research I figured it out. I'm going to put a video up for anyone else that wants to do it, and that is to retrofit the Uhp4 Bluetooth module. That's the factory fitted one, or as if you're looking through Uhp4 it says mobile phone portal. That's basically it. It works with the factory radios and what have you, but I've not seen any videos about it. If you look in Bluetooth, all it does is show you people how to set them up and things. But anyway, so all we need is obviously the Bluetooth module with its pin out. I will be doing a video at some point on the construction of that wire, because it's only janky, you know, to prove a point and make it work, but I will be doing it properly with proper connectors and what have you, and I will do the video with pin outs and such like. That is the factory fitted bracket that holds it in place. Now, as you can see by that big like C shape, the bracket actually fits, I don't know if you can see, on that bar there. See the hole? It goes, there's like little prongs that go in there. So that's where it lives. Okay, so I'm gonna try and do this on camera. Should be good. Wish me luck. As you see, it's a little bit, well, mine's undone, so it's not a problem. But oh god, let's put it in. That's the wrong way. Well done. Brains to myself. Oh, going in, is it? There's a thing in the way, that's why. There you go. Alright, that's in position, and you do it up with a Torx 20. If I can find it, there it is. And it just sort of tightens up onto it, and that's pretty stable. And obviously this thing clips in. It only goes in one way because there's the little sort of groove there and a flat bit up there, so it will only fit one way. So this is when I forget which way it fits in, isn't it? Yes, of course it is. Right, so you put it in. Oh, blimey. There we go. Right. That's in, it clips into place. That's where it looks like it belongs, right? Okay. Now for the overly janky wiring. I have to apologise for this. But I just wanted to prove a concept, really. I'll give you a quick rundown. This, luckily, was in my car, this wiring loom, because at some point it had an old hands-free kit. I'm talking old, it looked like it belonged in the 90s. But it had the wiring, and it had all but 2 of the wires needed for the Bluetooth, which I thought was quite lucky. So I added those in anyway. They were the CAN bus wires, but when I do the full build you'll get a just diagram and everything. I also took the opportunity, if I can find it, oh yeah, because it's got a full set of wires, I cut the wires that go to the auxiliary out. So then I fed them to one of these, which is one of them Poundland extension lead things, you know. Funny enough, they cost £1. It works fine, but that will be done properly with the other thing. Bit of extension need. This is the crincher. This is the bit that you will need to find. Now, mine didn't come with it, but for you people that know these Astras, you might recognise it. Turns out that this connector is used for the Uhp4, the fan controls, as well as the display. Whichever display you got, it takes this connector. So basically I just went down a scrapyard with a pair of, you know, wire cutters and took out the fan heater one, and it worked fine. You have to move a few of the pins around because they're all at the wrong side, and to do that the black bit on the end slides out. Don't know if I can do it with one hand because it might be locked back in. No, can't do it. So anyway, in there is the pin out to make it all work. These are the microphone wires, which I will connect up in a sec. So anyway, that's it for now. I will come back once that's done and let you show you it all working and what have you. Bye bye for now. Hello people, just another video. Sorry about the quality because I'm having to use my tablet, because I have a feeling if I try and Bluetooth connect my phone while recording it, will knock the recording out. But as you can gather from that, I'm going to demonstrate how to connect your phone up to an Astra H with a Bluetooth module, the official factory one. So first off, you have to make the Bluetooth module findable. So how you do that, you have it selected, you go to your steering controls. If you press that in, you'll get this menu here. Then you select UHP visible, you have to select that, make sure it's on. And then you go down to your phone, go to your Bluetooth, give it a sec, someone else is, there we go. UHP, you select it. Right, now it's going to ask for code. Now the code you can actually change. So if you go to pin, Bluetooth pin, and you go to the C at the end, just for this I'm going to use the zeros just to set it up. 2, 3, 4, and OK. Right, now on your phone, everyone knows how to do this. Oh no, communication failed because it took too long. Alright, so select it again. Select your thingy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it connected. And as you can see, if you go back to here, if you go up, searching net, well, it probably says network. But I think my phone is actually on airplane mode at the moment, so that would help if I took it off. Okay, give it a sec. And voila, there's my network. So there you go. And that's it for this video really. I just wanted to show how you connected it up, because in case people didn't know or whatever. There you go. Okay, so I will say bye bye for now and see you soon. Right, hello everybody, I'm back. I've now installed it and it appears to be working. As you can see, you now have the phone icon and my network and all the different settings. You got your phone look when it loads. No, it's not going to load. There we go. That's who you phoned. And of course it's not going to, there we go, that's who you phone. But you can either click on it, you can filter it by letters, if you take filtering off, it gives you the names. So, I think phone book. This is the